Alright guys, today I will show you how to create AI videos like this for completely free, 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, let's get started. So instead of us doing text to video directly, which is less accurate, especially when we are using completely free, it can take some time. We will be using text to photo and then photo to video. It takes less time and it's also more accurate. So for photo generation, I normally use a few websites and then I see which one of them is really good, because some websites will use different models and then they will give different products. So let's say Piclumen, for example. This is first website is this Piclumen. I will put Piclumen under the description. You can have a look at there. So this one you can just log in with your Google account and then it should start working. I use ChatGPT prompt. I will make another video of which prompt and how you can use different types of prompt. Just one thing you have to remember is if you are making cat videos, for example, you have to teach a ChatGPT to remember the characteristics of your cat. So every time you make a video, it will always make similar cat. It won't give you a different cat. So let's say give me a prompt of our orange cat doing something. So it's just a basic our orange cat. So ChatGPT already knows what kind of cat I have. It's a realistic. I wanted orange, always on two legs, and then it's wearing something, and then its eyes should be here, round eyes. So this one I will make another short video explaining how you can use it. But normally I just ask ChatGPT to remember it. This way, just copy and then we will go here, create, describe your image. You can already see here types of image I have already created before. So this one, always remember you have to click 9:16, otherwise you will just end up wasting your credits. So just do 9:16 and you can do two images. 3 and 4 you will have to pay, but top 2 is free. So just do this and then click generate. It will create fast and most of the time it works really well. Some prompts it won't work, so you will have to change your prompt and you have to teach your chat GPT how you can change your prompt. This way when you change it, it will make sure what kind of results you want. So this one, it says highly realistic orange, but it did not give us realistic for some reason. You just have to go through again. Anyways, this is just an example. You have to keep changing and then keep telling ChatGPT what's wrong with the photo until you can get a really good one. So this is something like this we wanted, which is good. Now this one uh, is not unlimited credits, but you don't have to buy it. You don't have to worry about it. It uses your Gmail account and it will automatically give you about 10 credits every day, which you can use one credit to generate one picture, so up to 10 pictures you can generate. And once you run out of it, you can make another Gmail account. That's what I do. I have multiple Gmail accounts. I just keep logging in and then I will have unlimited usage. If you want to do it for free and without GPU, then this is one of the best ways. If you have a GPU, I will make another video explaining how you can do it. Okay, the second one is this text to photo. This is Rave app. You must have already heard about it. This is also a really good tool. I will put description in the description below. Again, we will put 9:16 and then images you can select. Here I just choose 4 images and then drop our prompt here. Enhance on. You can keep it on, so this way it will just create the background and anything like that automatically if you don't specifically mention it. So send it. It will take a few seconds. Now this one, when you sign up with Riv, they will give you 100 credits, and I think you can use 4 credits to generate 4 images. So you can see this one again, we got cartoonish. I think it's something with our prompt, but again these are really good pictures. This is what we want. So once you run out of 100 credits, Rave will automatically top up 20 credits every day. So each credit means you can generate one photos. 20 credits means you can generate 20 photos, and the same thing goes with the email address. You just keep replacing your email address and you can keep topping up for free. At least have 2 to 3 email addresses, specifically the Gmail account. I see some people using temp mail. I will show you which one is it. So some people use temp mail and then they just copy and paste the email address, but websites like this, they don't allow temp mails anymore. Previously they used to, but they don't anymore. At least I can't do it. So this is not going to work. And having 2 3 accounts is pretty good, since most of these websites you can create for free. Now the third and final site that I use, which is the most useful for me, is Meta AI. So if you have not already heard about it, this can generate pictures and then even videos. What we can do here is you just have to click imagine and then always select your ratio size 9:16 and paste your prompt. Now you always have to select ratio in every single app or website that I'm showing you. Reason being, some websites will use credits, and if you don't select this, their normal is 1:1. And even with Meta AI, Meta AI is completely free. You don't have to top up credits or any email IDs or anything. You just sign up once and then it will create it for you. But sometimes the result that it gives you in 1:1 is very different from 9:16. So just make sure you're always doing this so you don't waste credit in any other app. Now imagine you click this and then just paste it. It will take a few seconds. It will create 4 pictures for you. This is not the most accurate, but the good part is you can just keep recreating. So looking at these pictures, this is a really good picture. This is exactly what I wanted when I say I want a cat cooking some soup, stirring it with the wooden spoon. Now, going on to video parts, I use 2 apps mainly. So the first one is also Meta AI because it's super fast. You don't have to wait for it. So you just click animate here and then it will animate. One more thing, guys, when you are making uh, photos with Meta AI, it's really good in editing as well. So let's go here, and if you see this cat, you can just click on it and it will give you edit options. So if you don't want the spoon, you can just say remove the wooden spoon from cat's hand and edit. So most of the time it works really well. It will just remove this wooden spoon and see, this is gone. It can edit. That's the other reason I like this, because if you get a good image you can just edit it out and do anything. So after we create animate, you can see this one. These pictures are just moving with slight expression, but this one is good. If you don't get your result, the one you are after, you can just keep recreating every time. Once you keep clicking regenerate, regenerate, it will keep creating, and this is by far the fastest and the best free app. The second one is Dream in AI something. Now the thing is, this website is not supported in every country, so you will have to use VPN. I personally use Proton VPN. I didn't want to include this website in the video, but since I have used a lot this website a lot, I thought this will give you really good value. Um, I will put this Proton VPNs in the description. You can download it. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. It always works. For me, whenever I start VPN, always it will give me Netherlands. I just click change server. It gives you United States. That's where this website works. And if it doesn't give you US as your second option, you just have to wait a minute or minute and a half. Click change server. It will give you United States eventually, and this is free. And this website is really good. That's the only reason I'm advising you guys to use VPN. You can use for other things as well, but mainly for this. So just refresh and you are in. This website is same, I think it's the same parent company as CapCut. So again, completely free. you don't have to worry about credits and all. I have already created pictures, as you can see here. So we will go on the main side. Okay, you can create pictures and you can create videos. If I can give you example of picture, I will put our prompt here, image 3.0 and quality 9:16, and then just generate. It will take a few seconds and then it will give you a nice picture. This is slightly longer generation time, and pictures as well, you can see it's not really accurate of what I put it in. So that's why I don't normally use it for pictures, but for videos, yes, it's good. So you can see it's okay. I feel like Meta AI gave us better pictures than this. Anyways, back to the videos, you can click here. Once you are on home page, just click AI video, and then you have to add image, and then we will just go and ask ChatGPT image to video prompt of this image. So it knows already. If you want it to do specific things, you have to mention. And remember one thing, guys, I have spent hundreds of hours searching for free websites and app that you can download locally and use it. And one thing I've found is most of the apps works really well, but you have to learn how to do prompts. Now, I personally am okay with doing prompts. I'm not really expert in doing prompts, but I do know the websites. So this one, it won't take more than 500 words, less than 500 words. Wow, I just misspell everything here. Okay, anyways, do this and then don't do video 3. I've seen that the difference between video 3 and 2S Pro is not a lot of difference, but the wait time is a lot in video 3. So I always do video 2 Pro, and then if it says it's default, it's fine because it's going to take our photos um, ratio, AI video, and then just generate. So here it will tell you that it's queuing. It will show you normally it takes 5 minutes, around 5 minutes of waiting time if you have to wait. If you don't have to wait, you can just leave it here and then it will keep doing what it's doing. It will take a few seconds and then go on. Alright guys, so it's here, and as you can see, we wanted the cat to stare. It is staring. Now, as I told you, we want a good prompt because you can see the steam rises and everything, and then it's staring and warm glow. Everything it has written here is almost in the video, but we want the cat to look at the camera and we want the cat to smile and do other things to make a video well. So that's what I'm saying when I say you have to learn to write a prompt really well. I'm going to make more videos on how to make prompt, how to use ChatGPT to make these videos. I will also be making videos on low VRAM GPUs who can install apps or websites locally and then run them completely free. I myself have only 8 GB of VRAM. I'm using RTX 3070. So I will make videos on that, how you can use it. Those ones are much better, but this is mainly for people who don't have GPU and just want to make videos like this to go viral. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please drop in a like and subscribe and comment how you found this video. Now, sometimes you can have issues like the website is not working or anything. Just feel free to put it in comments. I will keep checking my comments and I'll see if I can help you. Thanks.